Warriors, I'm Jimmy Vercellino, United States Marine Corps veteran and your very own mortgage originator specializing in VA loans. Dave Ramsey likes to say, when making a buying decision, look for somebody with the heart of a teacher and not necessarily the heart of a salesman. Big difference, right? So today what I want to do is I want to teach you, the veteran, how to read a copy of your VA Certificate of Eligibility. You know, I've had veterans that have reached out to me before that have said, Jimmy, I'm looking at this form. It's called the VA Certificate of Eligibility. How in the world am I going to qualify for a $36,000 VA loan? I can't buy anything with that, right? So before you get excited and think that VA loan limits are only $36,000, allow me to explain. VA does not lend the money. Remember that they only insure the loan. The lender lends you, the veteran, the money. So here's what VA says. Every veteran has $36,000 worth of what's called basic entitlement. So I'm going to write that down. $36,000 worth of basic entitlement, okay? So $36,000 worth of a basic entitlement. That allows you, the veteran, to obtain a loan up to $144,000 and have 25% be guaranteed by the government. Now, some of you might be thinking, well, gosh, $144,000, that's still not very much. Well, obviously, real estate values have always historically risen, right? They've always gone up in value. So VA understood that and they developed or invented, whatever you want to call it, something called bonus entitlement. Bonus entitlement works like this. The VA gives the veteran $68,250 worth of bonus entitlement. All right, so now you've got $36,000 worth of basic, and any loan above $144,000, this stuff called bonus entitlement kicks in. So watch this. When you add the two of these together, you come up with $104,250. Okay, you times that number by 4, and that equals $417,000. Now watch this. $417,000 in most counties across the nation. Some you can go higher, but in most counties across the nation, $417,000 is the maximum loan amount that a veteran can obtain with no money down. Now, we added up these two figures here, 36 plus 68, and came up with 104,250. That is the maximum guarantee from the VA. In other words, the VA says, you know what, we're not going to insure, Mr. Lender, more than $104,250 worth of this veteran's loan. Does that make sense? Anyhow, 25% of 417 is 104,250, which again is what the VA guarantees on the home loan. My name is Jimmy Vercellino. I hope that helped you read your VA Certificate of Eligibility. In order to get a copy of this form, you can roger up with a lender, somebody like myself, or you can visit www.va.gov. Again, when making a buying decision, look for somebody with the heart of an educator and not the one of a salesman. Talk to you soon.